Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. All right, tip number 4 is get your book created. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about this. You can use a freelancer, or you can hire a writing company to write it for you. I always recommend, if you're brand new to publishing, use a writing company. The reason being is when you pay a writing company to use one of their ghostwriters to write your book, not only do you own all the rights and all that fun jazz, but it comes to you fully formatted, proofread, edited, and ready to upload to Amazon. Versus when you're using a freelancer, you have to proofread it, edit it, format it. There's a lot of extra stuff you have to go and do that can slow down a lot of publishers. Yeah, sometimes you can get a slightly better rate with freelancers, but then you have to keep in mind, you have to do all that extra work. Is it really worth saving the 25 or 50 bucks, whereas a writing company is going to give you all of that for you? Now, make sure regardless, you send an outline outlining exactly what you want in your book, and more specifically, what you don't want in your book. If you're doing an advanced guide on whatever, make sure you tell them this is an advanced guide. I want absolutely no entry to this or beginner level this, because your customers, they're going to want to buy an advanced guide. They're going to start reading the first couple chapters all about beginner stuff. Well, that's a whole bunch of negative reviews coming your way. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.